Alrighty guys, in today's video we're going to be going over the basics of what RouterCAM is and what you use it for. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just so you guys know, this is going to be a mini series on RouterCAM. We're going to be going through the basics in this little series, and then this is basically for good things to know about what the program's for and where to locate it and so forth. And then after that, we're going to go into another series on the different features of the program and how to use it. But yeah, so in this video, we're going to be looking at RouterCAM and what's it about. So what it basically does, it allows you to turn CorelDraw into a form of CNC and G-code type program. So normally what you would do, you'll make your design in your program, CorelDraw, then you'll export it in the right format for your third-party software. Let's say it is, I don't know, TrueCut already works or something like that. And then from there, you will refine the design a bit more to make sure it's properly compatible with CNC machines and that. And then process your design. So it's a bit of a process, but what this plugin allows you to do is you can basically turn CorelDraw into, you can say, a CNC and G-code type program. So you can design right here where you're comfortable, and then from the program itself you can send it to the machines for the processing. So in order, or should I say, what it basically also does is it turns it into, you can do your laser cutting, normal cutting, engraving, milling, and so forth, all from the program. But yeah, otherwise that is the basics about what it does. So just a quick summary again, it allows you to basically turn CorelDraw into a form of CNC cutting software. So that way you don't have to use any third-party programs. But yeah, otherwise, before we move to the next, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.